Acura is all about advancing technology. This is Daniel, your product specialist at Marin Acura. You'll notice that select models will feature this electronic gear shifter. You'll have the icons P, R, N, and D. To engage any of them, simply press your foot on the brake and press the button. In this case, the car is in park. To place the car in reverse, simply lift on the switch. Neutral and drive, simply press the button. And you'll notice colored LEDs would indicate what function you selected. When you turn the vehicle off, the vehicle will automatically set itself to park.